You want to be a legend in your own kitchen? How about with hot fudge sauce? Honestly, you can make it so much faster, easier, and better than roaming down the supermarket aisle and buying it. Let me show you. 3 ingredients. Starting out with heavy cream and corn syrup. Now, this isn't high fructose corn syrup that's so evil that you see in packaging everywhere. Plain old corn syrup, you find it in your baking aisle. Here you go. Heavy cream and the corn syrup. And bring it to a simmer. It's going to take you 5 minutes. Once it comes to a simmer, then the chocolate. So there you have 5 minutes. Here, it's ready to go. Got a little light simmer going. Just going to turn off the heat. And the third ingredient, chocolate chips. Whatever your favorite chocolate chips are, just add them. Going to settle down. Just let them sit for about 30 seconds. Just let them sit. That's all you got to do. Take it off the heat. So you just start whisking it. So why did it have to wait for 30 seconds? So the heat can settle into the chocolate. So nothing's happening. Doesn't look all that interesting. Looks kind of yucky. Is this really going to work? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait for it. Oh, hot fudge sauce. That's it. Oh man, you know what this needs? This needs a hot fudge sundae. And of course, if you can have a hot fudge sundae, you got to go with the homemade whipped cream. It's this fast and this easy. Just start whipping it a bit. Get a little foam going. Once it's a little frothy, a little confectioner sugar, because it can never be too sweet. I'll put it all in. And it's going to go fast. And how you can tell this is working? You see more of the bottom of the bowl shows up as I do this. It means it's starting to come together. Almost ready. Whipped cream. Now we're ready to go. Assembly of the hot fudge sundae. I got to tell you, true story. When I was 16, my first job, scooping ice cream. Scooping ice cream, grilling burgers, the best 16-year-old job in the world. I love ice cream. And my favorite local ice cream, if you're anywhere near Western Massachusetts, this is the one, Maple Valley Creamery. And that is an unpaid, thrilled endorsement. So here we go. Just a quick little scoop, the best kind of scoop. Scoop it around. I think we need 2 at least. That's in there. Oh look, I have some hot fudge sauce here. There you go. Perfection. A little bit of whipped cream. Okay, a lot of whipped cream. Some chopped walnuts. Summertime, wintertime, every time it's time for ice cream. Look at that. And if you liked the video, please hit like, and even better, please hit subscribe. Thanks.